Welcome to Let's Weave Beads. In this video I'm going to show you the next step for making our stuffing. Here we have our patterns from the previous video, and what we want to do is we want to draw it onto our piece of cloth. I prefer a kind of grayish as I have here because it doesn't distract from the color, and it also doesn't get like dirty easily or anything like that. I did use white for some Christmas patterns I did that were very white. So you can choose different colors according to the piece you're making, or you can just pick one color as I did this kind of light gray to use in most pieces. So what you want to do is you want to take your pattern that you've created and you want to draw it onto your cloth. And then, because our pattern is not geometrically perfect, because we just kind of threw it together, we didn't like do a lot of geometrical stuff to make it perfect. What I do is I flip this over, and that ensures that your piece will match up better. For the star, I usually have a point touch. With the pod, I usually, because it is so straight, I usually have a side touch. So here we have our point touching, and we draw our next star, which is the other side. And then when we go to cut it out, like I've done here, we want to make sure to leave extra cloth. Don't cut right along the line as you did when you made the pattern. You want to leave extra cloth so that when you go to sew it, it will, I don't know, not fall apart, because if you don't have the extra cloth, you can't really sew it together. So when you cut these out, make sure to leave extra cloth around the edging. And I will see you in the next video for the sewing part.